Alright, first thing you want to do, retap your bolt. It's broken. This is a 5.3 LS motor. I have another one right there. We'll start with the deep one though. Anyways, you need to give yourself a good starting point so it's going to be centered. Bear with me here, guys. I'm doing this one-handed. I don't know if you're going to be able to watch or not, so I'll deal with it. That way it'll keep your drill bit from going everywhere but in the center. This is just a general purpose bit, nothing special. Key is keep the speed slow. If you go too fast, you'll burn your bit up. Keep your hole centered. Be patient. Remember, slow. You go fast, you're gonna burn your bit up. Then you're not gonna be drilling through shit. Don't push too hard, you'll break your bit. You'll watch it start to bend. It's okay to go left, right, up, and down. Just keep it centered. That's the key. Alright, we are getting close. Now, if I decide to stop now and put my extractor in there, what's going to happen is the end of my extractor the tip of this basically going to butt up against the inside of that bolt. It's not going to be able to dig in any deeper, and it's going to sit there and just eat that bolt up, and it's never going to grab because it's not going to be able to dig in. So you want that to be at least 4/5 on the extractor. So I'm going to do this a little bit more here and we'll get it out. Now normally, sometimes you'll have to step it up. If I need to, I'll make a video of that on the other bolt. I can show you how to drill this out without even doing an extractor. You just got to keep drilling the tension off the wall. And it looks like I'm going to have to go up the other size. Again, this is just a regular general purpose drill bit. They don't normally work this easy, especially on older vehicles, high mileage, Ryobi. Just be patient. Well, you're gonna have to come back and deal with it later, man. Looks pretty good. It's pretty deep. Alright, we're going to try that small one again. Okay. Get it centered on good. I like to give it just a little tap. So you can watch how it's digging itself in. Now, if you don't do it deep enough, it's just gonna butt itself and not do nothing. Alright. There we go. That simple, guys. I'm out here in the cold in a t-shirt. I know it can be a pain in the ass. Watch out for the internet mechanic warriors. They're all fucking talk. Do your research. Pay attention to the guys who know what the fuck they're doing. If you have any problems, you don't have a good quality extractor, I'll show you how to get that one out without using an extractor. Hope you guys have a good night. And I know it's out of place, but she had an LT1 in it. She's dirty right now. She's getting a turbo this year. Woo woo! So anyways, later gators.